I am Pankaj Sharma from Brain League Learning. Welcome! Today we will build an intuitive picture of the interference of light for Class 12 students in CBSE and NIOS. First, the big idea. Interference happens when two light waves meet and superimpose. Think of throwing two stones into a still pond at the same time. The ripples spread out as circles. Where a crest meets a crest, the water rises higher. Where a crest meets a trough, the surface becomes flat. The golden rule is the superposition principle. At every point, the resulting displacement equals the sum of the individual displacements. In symbols, y equals y1 plus y2. Let us see this on simple sine waves. To see a steady interference pattern, the sources must be coherent. That means same frequency and a constant phase difference. We do this by splitting one source into two slits. Now, constructive interference means crest meets crest, or equivalently, the path difference equals an integer multiple of lambda. Delta x equals n lambda. Destructive interference means crest meets trough. The path difference equals an odd half multiple of lambda. Delta x equals n plus 1/2 times lambda. Young's double slit experiment is the classic setup. Two narrow slits act as coherent sources separated by distance d, and a screen is at a distance d. Bright and dark fringes appear on the screen due to interference. The position of the nth bright fringe from the center is xn equals n lambda d by d. The nth dark fringe is at xn equals n minus 1/2 times lambda d by d. Fringe width beta is the spacing between consecutive bright or dark fringes. Beta equals lambda d by d. Three quick facts for exams. 1. Increase d and fringes become wider. 2. Decrease d and fringes become wider. 3. Use a smaller wavelength like blue instead of red. Fringes become narrower. Finally, the intensity depends on the square of amplitude. For two waves of amplitudes, a 1 and a 2, maximum intensity equals a 1 plus a 2 all squared. Minimum intensity equals a 1 minus a 2 all squared. Quick summary for phases and path differences. Constructive when phase difference equals 2n pi, or path difference equals n lambda. Destructive when phase difference equals 2n plus 1 times pi, or path difference equals 2n plus 1 times lambda over 2. That is the core of interference. Coherent sources, superposition, fringe positions, and fringe width. I am Pankaj Sharma from Brain League Learning. Keep practicing, and all the best for your exams.